Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and also for finding out that stock height shocks will not really work that well with a shackle lift. So here we are back at it. You know, I said I thought I could deal with these shocks being fully extended until I put my lift on, but it's just so clunky. You know, they're just maxed out at the top. So I have them off, and here is our difference between the two. It's approximate, looks like more of 3.5 inches, but from the measurements on the Monroe website, it should be approximately 2.5 inches difference once mounted with travel both directions. So we're going to put them on. I'm ecstatic because this will be much better than it was. So like I said before, to change the front shocks on your Jimny, you're looking at a 17 millimeter for your bottom bolt, 14 millimeter for your top bolt, and a 1/4 inch wrench will hold on to the top of the piston so that you can turn the 14 millimeter wrench to undo them. So here is the new shock installed, and you can see it's not fully extended and no clunking. You know, with it maxed out with the factory height Samurai shock, it was quite a bit of clunking because that shock was fully extended. And now I have approximately what looks like, once I put them on, was about 3 to 4 inches of travel, which is much better than 0. So these seem to work. So if you have the shackles on the front of yours, the part number was 33122. And I did order the front steering stabilizer also to install, but the one in the box that's for a factory Samurai looks like it's going to be too long. The body is definitely longer, and it looks like I only have 2 inches of steer. So this isn't going to work, so I'm going back to the Monroe website, and I'm going to find something that matches that, because that'll be a factory length. All right. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to take it for a test drive real quick and see how she rides now that I have some travel on these front shocks. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe.